This video is going to be straight and to the point because you don't care about the SEO arguments in local search. You care about showing up, getting found by customers who are willing to buy so you can grow your revenue and grow your visibility for your business. If you care about showing up in ChatGPT, what you probably want to start considering, because ChatGPT searches for local businesses and for business recommendations and product recommendations continue to grow. Here's an example. I just searched recommended pet stores, right? Recommend a pet store near me, typical search. Here are the pet stores that it recommended to me, and here's why, and here's where it gave me that mix. If you want to show up in ChatGPT, what a lot of people think is that ChatGPT, in its partnership with Microsoft, because Microsoft was a huge investor, they are relying more on Bing for how they're determining which businesses to show in ChatGPT, because Bing is owned by Microsoft. Connecting all the dots here. So it's showing me these, but ChatGPT also cares about reviews. But are they using Google reviews? Does Bing use Google reviews? No, they don't. Bing uses reviews from Yelp and Facebook. So if you've ever done a Bing search, I haven't in a very long time. Let me go over here to Bing. I search for a pet store near me, right? You can see that search. Luke and Company, Pets Paradise, Pet Supplies Plus, Kreisers, Two Pails and a Pup, Chuck and Don's, right? You can see all these. Notice this, the Yelp logo or the Facebook logo for the reviews. That's what it's using because nobody's going on and leaving Bing reviews. So it's being powered by Yelp and Facebook reviews. And I'm going to get to my point here, like I promised, in just 1 second. Hang tight because it's a really important point. So it's using Facebook and Yelp reviews here. So if I go over here, you're going to notice the same names: Chuck and Don's, Petco, Just Cat Store, Luke and Company, Two Pails and a Pup, right? That's what I just saw in those. Here's the deal, and here's the bottom line, as clearly as I can state it. If you're interested in showing up in ChatGPT searches for your business type or your products, and you're not, or you're struggling, or you're wondering how to do that, here's what you need to know. The evidence suggests, so far, that ChatGPT relies on Bing. Bing relies on Facebook and Yelp reviews. ChatGPT favors businesses showing up in ChatGPT searches that have good reviews, but it's not necessarily the Google reviews that we've all been focused on for years. It's the Facebook and Yelp reviews, because those are the ones that funnel to the Bing profiles, which is where ChatGPT gets its information about the businesses. What's happening is everybody in local SEO is encouraging diversity of reviews. That means get reviews from more than just your Google business profile, specifically Facebook and Yelp. And I'll break down and talk about some other ones that are important depending on your type of industry in future videos. But right now, don't just think Google reviews, which is what we've all done for the past 10 years. Now, if you want to start to show up in these other AI platforms and overviews and places people are searching, you have to think about getting a diversity of reviews, which means specifically Google, Facebook, and Yelp, but probably some others depending on your exact niche. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe. Told you I get right to the point. Get out there, get reviews consistently for your business, respond to those reviews, and now get them across more than just one platform. Catch you in the next video.